Hey, good day. We're going to work on this input-output table here. So to complete the function table, I think the first thing that I want to do is grab my magic pen there, and I want to rewrite this equation. So I'm going to grab myself a color here. How about that beautiful purple? And we have 48 divided by 2 times x. Okay? All right, in the first two values, they give you x. So I'm going to plug those into the equation, and let me show you what I mean by that. So I'm just going to do 48 divided by 2 times 1 is one version. And let me grab a second color here to just change the color a little bit. Rewriting my equation for the third time, I have 48 divided by 2 times 4. Okay, does everyone understand where that's coming from? My equation is 48 divided by 2x. 2 is the coefficient, x is the variable. They're written right next to each other, so that means multiplication. So that's where I'm coming up with the multiplication symbols that you see on the paper right there. All right, so let's just do the work. 48 divided by 2 is 24. 24 times 1 is 24. So for this first value, y is 24. Let me put that in there. 24. Okay. For the second equation, 48 divided by 2, I get 24. 24 times 4. Let me just rewrite that over here. 24 times 4. Think of that as 20 times 4, which is 80. And then 4 times 4, which is 16. You add the two together and you get 96. So when x is 4, y is 96. Okay. Now I'm going to think about this a little bit. They give you y in the next set of 2 to complete the function table. So I need to change my equation just a little bit. So now I'm going to rewrite it. I'll rewrite the first one as 4 equals 48 divided by 2 times x. Okay, I do not know what x is now. 48 divided by 2 is 24. So now I have 4 equals 24x. Okay, to solve for x, you simply divide by 24. And I have a fraction over here, and if I simplify that fraction, my answer is 1/6. All right, let's do the final one. We'll switch colors here. I'm kind of running out of room. But now it says 3 is equal to 48 divided by 2 times x. X is my variable. I don't know what that is. All right, 48 divided by 2 is 24. So now I have 3 equals 24x. To solve for x, we got to divide both sides by 24. Divide 3 by 24. Simplifying that fraction, 3 divided by 3 is 1. 24 divided by 3 is 8. So there's my input-output table. I have completed it for all variables. What you want to do is watch this video as many times as it takes in order for you to understand how we're completing the input-output table. The thing that I would suggest, though, is that you look at what they give you. If they give you the y, you plug in the y. If they give you the value for x, then you plug that x into the equation. That's all you need to do. So, with that, like I said, watch this as many times as you need to understand how to complete an input-output table.